So what are some of the ways to increase volume on Android phones without any applications? Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from Genie Guide, and today's video I'll simply show you how you can increase volume on your Android smartphone without any application. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now keep in mind this feature may not be available on other smartphones other than Samsung. If you have Vivo, Oppo, you might want to look for the options respectively. But in our case on Samsung smartphones, what we need to do is we need to open the settings application. Once you launch the settings app, here you'll find the option called sounds and vibration. Just tap on it. Once you tap on sounds and vibration, here you'll find volume. So just tap on volume again and you will see all of the volume details, but you want to tap on the three dots from the top right, and here you'll find media volume limit. So just tap on it again. Once you tap on media volume limit, set from off to on, which means toggle this to currently to on because it is set to off by default. Currently a custom volume limit is set to half, but what you want to do is simply max it out. Once you max it out as well, you want to come back. Now we are going to simply max out our media volume. As you can see, even if we go ahead and simply press the volume button, we can actually max our volume limit to very maximum as well, because it's going to be louder than before. If you want to improve the sound qualities, come back again and choose sound quality and effects. Make sure to tune on Dolby Atmos and Dolby Atmos for gaming as well. You can also choose the equalizer and adapt the sound as well. That's all it takes to increase your volume limit and the sound on your Android phone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.